Korean vocabulary part 1. E. E is number 2. O. O is number 5. A. E. A. E is child. O. E. O. E cucumber. U. 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 U is milk. Yao. Yao is fox. Ye. Ye is yes and okay. Va. Va is when you excitingly say something like wow. It's in Korean is wa. Ve. Ve is why. Vayo. Vayo is coming. Va. Va. Va is on. The book is on the table. Vevoyo. Vevoyo is to memorize something. Kasu. Kasu is singer. Agi. Agi is baby. Nemo. Nemo is scare. Thari. Thari is leg. Sorry. Sorry is sound. Moja. Moja is cap. Aboji. Aboji is father. Saja. Saja is line. Seu. Seu is shrimp. Chiuge. Chiuge is eraser. Chima. Chima is skirt. Kho. Kho is nose. Thacho. Thacho is ostrich. Podo. Podo. Grapes. Hosu. Hosu is lake. Kachi. Kachi is magpie. Okay. Okay. Okay is shoulder. Kuiturami. Kuiturami is cricket. Puri. Puri. Puri is root. Ajoshi. Ajoshi is man. Chige. Chige is Korean dish name. You can see in these words, in every word, double consonant is applied. Here, kachi, okay, double consonant, then turi. This is also double consonant. Then puri. This is double consonant. C. Ajoshi. Double consonant everywhere in these words applied. Check. Check. Check is book. Pak. Pak. Outside. Nun. Nun is snow. San. San is mountain. Oath. Oath is clothes. Coach. Coach is flower. Biol. Biol. Star. Mal. Mal. Horse. some. Number 3, thak, hen or chicken. If you want to learn Korean language, kindly subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.